I am in Minca in Colombia, up in the mountains, and it's Christmas Eve. I just got a motor taxi even higher up in, you can see, even higher up into the mountains, and I'm about to go on a coffee tour. The perfect Christmas present for myself. Just walking through the jungle, looking for the coffee. So I've just been up to La Candelaria, coffee farm and cacao farm, and had a really cool coffee tour. I had a cacao mask, it was awesome, and now I'm hiking back down the mountain, and I'm going to go past Pozo Azul, which is the really big waterfall down here, which is beautiful. And now I'm just about to walk down, and I've just come out into this path. Can you see? It's just awesome. So there's basically just a path that's going all the way back down the mountain to the waterfall. And then over here in the distance, that's Santa Marta, where I was staying 2 days ago. It's incredible. So I just had a really cool random experience. But I'm trying to find the cascada, and the kind of path went off, and there was just some houses, and so then I accidentally kind of stumbled into a group of indigenous Colombians who were having some kind of party. They've got music and food, and I just kind of sneaked in, and they were like that way. It was really random and really cool. I love Colombia.